Okay, another quick video. Fashion sense for the stylish, or for the wise and stylish, the king here. And today we're going to be talking a little bit about polo shirts as defined by, as described by Brooks Brothers. Interesting. So this is an unboxing. I got 4 shirts at a discount. That's really the way to get it. Their shirts at Brooks Brothers is to, well, you want to get everything on sale if you can, regardless of whether it's Brooks Brothers or anywhere. But interesting, one of them is in a plastic wrap and the others are not. I figured these are 4 colors that'll go with anything. And blue, pink. Let's take a look here, see what it says. Regent fit. Oh, looky there. It is the original polo shirt. Although I don't really think of this as a polo shirt. I think of this as like a button-down shirt. When I think of a polo shirt, I think of a, you know, those knit shirts that you wear, but maybe I've been incorrectly labeling them all of these years. Anyway, I was not planning on getting any button-down or polo shirts, but I happened to wander through the store and stumbled into these shirts, and I really liked the feel of the material. They're calling this their original polo shirt. I really like the feel of the material, and I also like the fact that you've got a pocket on these shirts as well. Which is helpful whenever you just want to shove a cellular phone in it, especially underneath a sweater. Sometimes I don't always like to wear my cellular phone in my pants pocket. I think it's actually a little bit more convenient just having it in your pocket right here than having it in somewhere else. But I think, you know, so anyway, what I did is, you're probably wondering why I've got this other rag out here. This is a Brooks Brothers polo shirt that I bought about 2 years or so ago. It's one that I decided to buy. It's made in America, made in the United States. I know for a fact that we have viewers that are from all around the world, so that may not necessarily matter to you. This particular shirt was purchased in the United States, and it was as you can see here, it says proudly made in North Carolina, which is one of the states in the United States, of Italian fabric. But I did check. I thought, well, Italian fabric, you know, don't we grow cotton here in the United States? And it does say that it's made of 100% American cotton. So, which is interesting, because that means that they must have grown the cotton in the United States, shipped it over to Italy, and then back to the United States to be assembled. So anyway, the reason that I brought this out is I kind of wanted to not do necessarily a side-by-side comparison, but kind of look at them and see if I can tell much difference between the two. Right off the bat, you can see here the sizing is a little bit different in the sense that you have your actual numeric collar and length of the sleeve size here, versus on these shirts you have the where it's basically a large, medium, small, extra large type sizing. Obviously it's not made in the same country. It's not an American made shirt. I will say that the coloring is a little bit different. It's a little bit lighter pink than this one. This is a little bit more of a brighter color pink. I will say that I think the material is very, very nicely done. It feels really good. It actually feels a little bit thicker than even this American version here, but I could be wrong. So anyway, these are, so far they appear to be very, very nicely made shirts. I have not tried